Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm up with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you some makeup tips and tricks, and it's a full whole get ready with me to a random just shopping day. So it's a pimple patch I'm applying on my face right now because as you can see my face is full of acne pimples and cystic as well because I applied a new tretinoin tube and it ruined my face. I'm gonna make a separate video about that, so just be careful and don't apply anything on your face except a dermatologist recommended you that. So now I took the Elf Hello Glow primer and it's super good. It just got stick on my face as you can see, and it just block all your pores and pimple blemishes, everything. And then I'm gonna go to the Hello Glow filter. As you can see, it will cover up all my scars, my pits, everything up. And then it's Wet n Wild foundation. It's super nice for everyday look. Like I only use this Wet n Wild foundation. As you can see, it just covered all my face with so much of glow on it, and I'm completely obsessed with it. And now I got a father daddy brush, and I call it daddy brush because it's father of all the brushes, and I just baked my face with Fit Me Fix Studio, and it's so good. It's it's from Mac, and it's super good. Now it's time for fixing my eyebrows, and I used the Elf brush for it, and it's now I just lined it up with a little bit of you can see it's a liner, a kind of eyebrow pencil, and it's Essence Lash Princess mascara, and it just pop up my lashes. Oh my god, I really love its effect, but I can say it just ruined sometime it ruined my eyelid because of that blacky finish on it. And then I take one brush and I make sure that I dust all the extra product on my eyelids first, and then it's a kind of little hack. I use blush on my eyelid because I want to have a good lip, attractive lip, so I would really want to have a little bit of eyeshadow on. Then I'm taking Rare Beauty blush, and today I thought not to use Pixie blush as I use it most of the time, and I double finish up this Rare Beauty one. Then I take a lip pencil, and for the lip pencil I just take any random lip pencil. I don't know from which brand it was, and I just took it and I just lined up my lips. And I always like my lips to be a little bigger than normal lips, yeah. And I just rub it up, and then I use the Maybelline Fit Me, a beautiful shade which matches my shirt, and I really like that. And I really like my top. Just comment down if you like my top because I'm really obsessed with it, and it's a new one I bought from a shop. And then I take a Morphe fixing spray because it gives me a coconut freshing smell, and I really like that smell. And you can see the pimple patch on my face, but I don't care at any cost because I want my face to be clear and don't even buy any makeup at all. So I really like that one. And after that I'm brushing my hair because I took a shower, and after that I just thought to use a Dysonairwrap tools, and I bought the Dyson. I'm going to give a separate review about that. I have a lot more reviews to post for you all. So I take a brush and I'm just going to straighten my hair with that, so it gives me a smooth and soft finish to my hair, and all the frizz is gone because my hair are so frizzy, and here the water have lead in it and it just makes it more frizzy. And after that I'm taking a Dyson hair tool for which I want the waves in my hair. I don't want the waves today with the shirt because it looks straight, so I want to have curls at the end of my hair. So now I just on it, and now I'm gonna have the curls from not from the root, but I want to have the curls in the end. So I really want to have a little curly wavy waves in my hair, and I hope you like that too. And because I don't want to have curls sometimes because I'm a straight girl, straight hair girl, and I really like to have straight hair because it just goes with everything, literally with any shirt, dress, or anything. So I was trying here to make a curl, and finally I made it. So it looks a little wavy, and Dyson needs a little practice, and I thought to have a practice of it and then I'll come up with a good review of it. I really like my hair here, and they are no more frizzy and they are so voluminous right now. I'm really liking the effect of this Dyson. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye bye, see you in my next video, guys.